Astral projection is intentional out-of-body experience. It involves the separation of physical and spiritual bodies. I'm sure you must have heard of it in some form. It is commonly associated with dreams and higher forms of meditation. Astral projection is fascinating, mysterious, and enchanting. But what is the science behind it? Stay tuned to find out. Hey everyone, this is Star Science, simplified science to make you smarter. The idea of leaving the physical body is pretty ancient and is widespread across numerous cultures for thousands of years. 8 to 20% of people claim to have experienced this at least once in their lives. For most of history, it was pretty private and exclusive. Now, like everything, it is commercialized. You can find seminars, courses, and experts that promise you an out-of-body experience. Most scientists reject astral projections as being merely dreams or fantasies. The supporters often argue that scientists are close-minded, unwilling to accept things that don't fit their narrow view, etc. Though contrary to popular belief, in science those who disprove theories are rewarded, not punished. And someone who can conclusively prove the existence of astral projection will receive some pretty big rewards, or maybe a Nobel Prize. The problem with proving astral projection is that there is no way to measure leaving and entering a body's spirit or consciousness. But testing its validity is not that hard. You can hide a few objects or write something in the room and let the person project his or her consciousness to find them. The person can either discover them or not. There is no other way, and so far no one has passed this test. Someone with real ability to project his or her consciousness can do so many great things for the world. There will be no need to send anyone to dangerous places like areas of nuclear disaster. Someone can project themselves and analyze the situation. They can also find survivors in earthquake rubbles or maybe help out in hostage situations. Supporters of astral projections often claim that they should be real as people's experiences across different countries and cultures are similar. Well, that can be explained by guided imagery, where you are told what to expect and experience by some authority figure like a psychologist or an astral projection teacher. People having these experiences often assert these to be real, just like someone on hallucinating drugs like LSD argues the existence of aliens, angels, and other worlds. Astral projection is fascinating and mostly harmless, and maybe one day we can discover if it's real or not. Still, no evidence can conclusively establish an out-of-body experience, and until someone can prove it, it will remain a pseudoscience. Do hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Let me know what topics do you want to see next. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.